Salom doste! Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Am Śmieci Globasa. If you don't know what Globasa is, click on the video that just popped up in the corner. Today we'll dive into small talk, expressing emotions, talking about the weather and how to order drinks when you're out and about. Let's get started. When you meet someone, it's polite to ask how they are. In Globasa you can say "You que pul," literally "you how," meaning how are you? Adding sen might be a bit more formal, "You sen que pul." How do you respond depends on, well, your feelings. I'll give some options. Mi sen bon, bur, hazuni, hosh, frustrado, tranquilo, giu, and you. Always ask about the other instant's feeling too. Well, next we are going to ask the person we are talking to for their name. Yusu name sen keto, what is your name? And then reply misu name sen Aronora, my name is Aronora. Eğer you vole, if you want to know more about each other, you could ask about hobbies or where they're from. Kam you had a hobby? Do you have hobbies? Or yusu hobby sen Kyoto? What are your hobbies? Miso hobby sen nasutigi violin. My hobby is playing violin. Ah, bon, giu ogar que loca. Nice, and where do you live? Well, can you answer that? Word order is the same for questions and answers, so you just reuse mi ogar and add in yusu desha. I don't know what Yusudesha is, but according to my viewer stats, it's either USA, Deutschisa or Polska. But here take a look at this map. And if you want to express that you are from somewhere instead of where you live right now, you can, for example, say Mi sen de Polska, mas mi ogar in Deutschisa. I'm from Poland, but I live in Germany. Well, if your conversation is at a dead end, the best thing to talk about is the weather, klima. Another possibility would be to talk about climate change, which I translate as klimamotiv alochu, but I guess that doesn't count as small talk. If you haven't left the home in a while because you're a Yushien, a gamer, then you first ask Klima sen que pul? What's the weather like? And people usually just say Klima sen bon, bur, the weather's good or bad. My grandpa always said, No hay bur klima sol bur labas. There is no bad weather, just bad clothes. So if you would want to know what to wear, then these are the answers you should listen to. Hay barish, it's raining. Hay lumin, it's sunny. Hai termo, it's warm. Hai bardi, it's cold. Hai dutalugi, it's snowing. Hai dai tornado fe escia amresta fe inia doste. There is a giant tornado outside. Stay inside me. Imagine you talked a bit with the person you just met and connected over Minogone Globasa. You might want to grab a drink at a bar or eat at a restaurant or do whatever normal humans do. I usually stay in my shell. Last episode we already discussed spaghetti har tomate salsa gi aloyam. So now we'll be talking about glue, drinks. We already know chai, tea, gi sui, water. Mas hai pia mashpul glushe. Un vodka martini tremeto nen calapado felutuf. And what do you want to drink? I have prepared a menu. Asif, sorry, maybe you want to drink something Nenhar alcohol. So the nice lady or gentleman across from you would like some apple juice, but unfortunately they don't speak the local language nor Globasa. Can you order it? I thought so. Let me do it. Un pingo juicu cel te gi un cafe har milko cel mi felutuf. An apple juice for them and a coffee with milk for me, please. Another great option is also to point at the thing you want and say, Hinto, this thing. And when you order and receive the food and drinks, we want to be polite. And what are the two magic words? Filutuf gi shukra, please and thanks. We are finidu with this episode again, dai hazuni, very sad. Mas I have to teach you one last thing, saying goodbye properly. If your day drinking date didn't go so well and you won't see each other again, bon jiwa, good life is a good farewell option. Otherwise, like always, weda. And if it got really late, like today, while editing this, bon noche mi sudoste, good night my friend. The added vocabulary is written in the description. I will probably finally add all the vocab from my videos to an Anki deck. Also join the Discord server through the link in the description. Kachupa out!